Hi guys, Hazel here. How are you doing? This is my Saturday view. It's just, and that's my view in front of the house. Yes, 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 yes. And I love the sound of the falling rain. Listen to what is that song? Listen to the music of the pouring rain. I'm not sure. Wow. Let me open that one door. This is my view. Isn't it beautiful? Sorry, there's a screen door. Oh, now we don't have now we actually don't have power. We don't have the power. And I'm just using my cell phone to capture this beautiful moment. And yeah, I have the candles on. Oh my God, can you hear the thunder? That's probably why there's a big storm somewhere. You gotta check that out. So that's the beauty of nature, and that nature is where I am getting all my inspiration, especially when I create art. Art that is joyful, art that sparks joy inside of you and inspiration. It's luxurious, it feels so good, and it brings positive emotions within you and remind you of your dream. Imagine when you were young, we were little kids, we dreamt big, dreamt so big that at that time it seemed impossible. However, I am an example of a dream come true. My life is a dream come true, and I'm very blessed and thankful that God gave me that power to live my dreams here in Canada. And I was 5 years old when I dreamt of traveling the world and, enjoying life and seeing other parts of the world. And it happened. And it's still happening, and I'm so happy. So I'm going to leave you a verse, one of my favorite verses in the Bible, from the book of Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the thoughts I think towards you, thoughts of peace and not of evil, to give you an expected end. So, whatever you're going through today, however quote unquote crazy the world may seem right now, know that all things are possible. You are possible, I am possible, all our dreams are possible. You have the joy to enjoy life despite the struggles, despite the difficulties, despite the adversity. So I'm here to encourage you to keep on going, keep on dreaming, and taking action towards your vision of the future. And that means the future is now. And so, let me see if we can see some of my neighbors over there. I don't want to capture people. I just want to focus on this pretty, that's the forest. And behind this forest, mini forest, is a beautiful park. So take care, guys. like and subscribe and share this video to encourage somebody today. Take care, and you know that you are an artist like God. All right, bye.